Introducing the all-new Jarvis Hero i3 Cordless Vacuum. Twice the suction power of most leading brands on the market today. 90 minutes of runtime means you can clean your entire house. Under the couch too. Jarvis is the first vacuum with a 2.5-inch touchscreen head-up display. No more tired pointer fingers. Jarvis is the world's first interactive vacuum. A visual power meter spots hidden dirt even when you can't see it. Self-balancing design and attachments to reach all the nooks and crannies. Available wireless wall mount and wireless no installation charging stand. Sanitize your furniture, the kids' mattress, and more, all without smelling harmful chemicals. Detachable battery for standalone charging extends your work time. Jarvis even tells you when it's time to empty the dustbin. Now that's intuitive. Fight germs, save time, and become a household hero with Jarvis.